Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit in YouTube Shorts. Creating and editing YouTube Shorts can be an exciting way to showcase your creativity, whether you're recording new content or editing an existing video. Here's how you can edit YouTube Shorts directly within the app to enhance your videos. The first step is to open YouTube and create a short. And to do that, just open the YouTube app and tap the plus button at the bottom center of your screen. This is available on your Android and iOS devices. After that, select create a video or create a short, and this will open the shorts camera where you can start recording. The second step is to record your video. And to do that, just hold on the record button to capture the video or tap it to take multiple clips. You can record up to 60 seconds in total, and the multiple clips can be combined. The third step is to use built-in editing tools. Once your video is recorded, you can enhance it using the following options. The first option is to trim the video. Now after recording, tap next and select trim. After that, drag the sliders to shorten or adjust the timing of your video clips. And you can also add music by tapping the music icon at the top of the screen to add a song from YouTube's music library. And select the parts of the song that you want to use and sync it with your video. The third step is to apply filters and effects. And to do that, just tap the effects button to add different visual effects such as speed, adjustments, or color filters. You can also add text or stickers to make the video more engaging. As for the fourth step is to finalize your edit and share it. Now once you are satisfied with the video, tap next and add the title and select the visibility to public and click on upload. Now to improve your shorts engagement, add captions or text that reflects what's happening in the video and use popular songs or effects to make your video stand out. And that's it. These were some informations about how to use about how to edit YouTube Shorts. Now I did this tutorial on my computer, but all the steps I told you were supposed to be on your mobile device. And it's very easy and very simple. Once you open the YouTube app, you can just head out and click on the plus button and then create a video and record it and then modify it, etc. and publish it. Now if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.